girls got their ears pierced. Look at that, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it.
There we go, right there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
She said, there we go, right there, right there. Put it right there, right there. Okay. And they look so cute. Just the twins did. I'm gonna do little Lily's ears eventually. So, but right now, my mom was doing this for them, for the girls. It was supposed to be something she'd been done for them for their birthday or Christmas? For their birthday. So she's behind on that, so she finally got it done. So, anywho, it's a beautiful day out here, guys. It's so beautiful and sunny out here. Look at the blue sky, the sun shining bright. It's really, really nice out here. So yeah, as we were leaving the mall, I said that I was gonna go ahead and take Amy, because there's a watch that I got her for Christmas, and this little watch here, and it's cute and everything. She asked for a watch, so I got her one. But so what we're gonna do before I pull off here, we're gonna go ahead and head over to change it out for another one that I saw that was nicer, a little bit nicer, and I think even digital. So we're gonna see if we can get that one, and so that's what we're about to do. So we're just out today, guys, enjoying today. I'm hungry, guys. Like what I feel again, every time you come out, you be ready to find something to eat. But I did not eat any breakfast, believe it or not. So that would be my real reason for getting something. All right, so guys, we're gonna go ahead and head over to Dee Dee's. Okay, so in a minute. All right, guys, we have arrived at our destination. Come on, here we are right here at Dee Dee's, guys, and that's where we're. So I want to try to see. I saw a nice watch in here. It's actually a little bit more than the one that I got her. So that's why I'm coming here, and then we'll go to the other place to return the other one. So here we go. Okay, guys, this is the watch that I was trying to get her. It's digital. It has a light on it and everything, and it's really, really nice. So let's go down there. And so we're about to check out and get that for her, guys. Okay, so we'll share it more with you guys in a minute. All right, guys. I am at, I decided to eat some Captain D's. Queen Amy already ate, so if you're wondering why she's not eating, what did you eat?
I ate cereal and toast.
Cereal and toast before they left the house.
Grilled cheese.
And grilled cheese, so she's good. I haven't had anything, so she's gonna have to sit here and watch me eat. And guys, this is what I got the mukbang with right quick with you guys. Baked potato, and got some hush puppies. This is a hot baked potato. Oh my God. Couldn't get it loaded. I don't want all that bacon and stuff on it. It's with pescatarians. And I got some shrimp, guys. Okay, and I got me a side salad. Okay, this is all I wanted. So let me say my prayer and jump right into this mukbang. Amen. Alright, guys, so you guys probably can barely see me, but this is about as good as I can set this up. So hopefully you guys can hear me. So I'm trying to come closer so you guys can hear me pretty good. Alright, so go ahead on and start eating. Hope you guys are feeling good. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. Comment what you guys are eating. You guys never comment what you're eating or what you had for today. Comment below and let me know what you guys had. Okay? I always want to know what you guys had. And then we're going to take the other watch that I bought her. That's our next stop. We're going to take that back. And after I'm done eating, I'm going to eat on. Ooh, this is such a hot and big potato, guys. It's so huge. Oh my God, it's huge. When I tell you it's huge, it's huge. I don't have my selfie stick. I'm sorry, my tripod. I always make a selfie stick. I have not had the selfie stick in so long. But, alright, poor thing. You want to try one of my shrimpies? Sure. I'm gonna give her one of my shrimpies, guys. I wish I had my, oh, this is some sour cream right here, guys. I don't like to really eat here, guys, but every once in a good old while, I have a little something here. You know how that can be. I don't know how does it taste. That's pretty good, guys, so we shall see. I'm gonna have to put all this on here. This is a big, huge thing. Go ahead and put my juice on my salad, my Italian sauce dressing. One more Italian dressing. After you get one Italian dressing. I may not need it, but it's really a pretty good amount on here, guys. It's time to eat. Thank you.
Guys, I got my ears pierced, but it was like a quick, good pinch. It really felt like it still hurts a little bit, but it won't be this ear, not this ear. My left ear.
Guys, you know that little quick little feel that you get and make your eyes kind of squint down and then they get a little watery and glossy. That's that look she had.
Yeah, my eyes squished up, but like I just squished like this. It was like a good pinch.
Yeah, it was like a pinch. Because we all that had our ears pierced and nose and tongues and whatever else you pierced. You guys have a good idea about that. So yeah, guys, this potato is huge. It is humongous. Look at that. Oh my God. I've not had a baked potato in so long. I don't have no sauce for my shrimp. I'm sure there's some sauce over there. That just go to show you how long I've been out. I'm gonna about to eat this. Pretty good. Let me give me some sauce. Talk to the people. I'll be right back.
Yeah. Guys, right here is this ear. It just bothering me. I'm a crush. Mom. I think that shrimp was pretty good. Table piece movie. Camera's right there. y'all. How was y'all day? Leave in the comments, y'all. They've been pranking me lately too.
Alright guys, I am back. You gotta give me some sauce here, some cocktail sauce or something. I need some type of dipping. Try to put a little bit of hot sauce on here. I'll turn this to more it needs for just a few minutes so you guys can see me a little better since she's just kind of chilling. Got some hot sauce, so let's see how that worked out. Probably should have had some sauce on that one that you had. Let's see, guys. Be okay. Not that crazy about it. That hot sauce and cocktail sauce works. That's pretty good. That helped. I'm not crazy about hush puppies, but I'll eat them. You want some hush puppies?
Sure.
She just keeps going, sure. Sure.
Thank you.
You can dip it if you want to see how that'll work. I don't know how it'll taste. It's all right.
Okay. Thanks.
Dip in the sauce. Hot sauce. This hot sauce works.
Make sure you got all the shrimp.
If you want more of this, let me know. I don't care. I don't really like that that much.
That's a pretty dip.
I have not had a baked potato in like so long.
We have
We've had roasted red potatoes at the house, but not like a whole, baked potato. I used to eat loaded baked potatoes all the time. What'd you say?
They have potatoes like that at school.
Oh
They
yeah.
have they have it wrapped up in foil.
Right. I think I remember having baked potatoes like this in school. Do you guys remember having baked potatoes like these in school? Big baked potatoes?
They let us get butter, but they only give us one.
Yeah, they always give you one butter.
But you would make an exception and go to the other line and get more.
Bit more. You had to find a way to make that work for you.
Yep, that's how they get more butter. Cheat code.
Exactly. Cheat code. This is pretty good though. Oh my God.
sour cream really makes it so good.
Oh guys, let me tell you something. I'm obsessed with this app. This app called Vacant Life. It's an app where you can just like you get tons. I know a hack and stuff to where you can get coins for free. Like if you go to the if you go to the this is like little free coin area. If you go there. The animation sets are the most poppingest thing. So I want you guys to try this thing called Vacant Life. It's fun, it's free for boys and girls too. They have like a club and skating ring and stuff. Places that you can go and travel, and you can set up your character. But when you're first online, you're gonna be on level 0, and people are gonna say you're a new. But it's just newbie, but you're a noob. But I used to be a noob at first, but I know a hack to where I can just get tons of money for free. So when you go, I'm not gonna tell anybody because my sister, Queen Lily, doesn't want me to tell anybody about the hack. So probably like if you're a good friend, but I can't really tell you guys. So. So yeah. So me, Queen Nana, and Queen Lily always play this game. We always join each other. We can join friends, and you can invite friends from Facebook too. So I don't really do that, but yeah, you can do that too if you want. So yeah, try it, guys.
All right, guys. Sorry about this. Just in the camera. I am good, guys. Still have a little bit left. Just a little bit. And my salad. But I'm straight. I am good. Gonna get straight here, guys, and get ready to head on over to our other location so that we can return the other watch, guys. So we're gonna see you guys in a minute, okay? In a minute.
All right, guys, we have made it to my mom's house, and I'm straight. She got her. We returned the watch, so everybody's around here. There's Gabby. There go Gabby.
Oh, your watch?
Okay, cool. Hi. Someone there? Hello.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So everybody's in here. It's a little dark, guys. So guys, she got to drive a little bit. She felt good about that, guys.
Yeah.
It was a little bit. It wasn't really like she got behind the wheel. She just kind of did some maneuvering the wheel. And Gabby's washing clothes. That's Queen Lily. Yay. And that's Nine, Queen Nine in the dark over there. So this is my mom's house, guys. And I guess she's in the back. So they're in here watching TV. Okay. This is my mom's home, guys. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dining room. Beautiful, beautiful. You guys can't really see in the dark. Let me turn this on. This is the dining room. And I like this little cabinet here. It's real pretty. And this is the kitchen. Love the floors. Beautiful kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. Okay. Got the little small rolling island. So yeah, guys. My mom is back there in the room somewhere. Back there, guys. In that door.
So I'm not gonna bother her right now. Alright guys, so this is going to end the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was just a little bit outing. Queen Amy, I wanted you to share that watch real quick. Did you take it all the way out of the box yet? I kind of wanted them to see it on your arm.
Cut the bottom of the
Yeah.
scissors.
Look at the pretty box. Look at that top. The top. Put it back on here real quick. I want you guys to see the box. The box is so pretty. Isn't that a pretty box, guys? Okay, take that off. Yeah, match that light. That little light. It's a light on it. Yeah.
That was right here.
See, it's got a little light, guys. It looks better than the other one. So, yeah. But anywho, you guys will see it on her arm next round. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Unless you want to show it on your arm.
I'll show it on my arm.
Okay, so hold on, guys. All right, guys. So now she has the watch on.
Yeah.
She just got to adjust it and everything, but there's a little light and everything. She loves her little watch.
Yeah.
Real fancy, smancy. That over here, it's not all that much or something, but I liked it better than I did the other one.
Look, guys. Yeah. I like it.
So yeah, that's all, guys. Just really quickly, she wanted to share that with you. So you like?
Yes, I like it. Guys.
Yay. Okay. So you guys know we had fun today, and this is going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate all of you, our day ones and our new subscribers. And we hope you guys stick around and be a part of the family. And let everybody know, all your friends and everything, what's going on over here on the Healthiest Queens vlog channel. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, guys. Just show some love, alright? And let us know in the comments if you like to watch, what you think, alright? And even if you don't, you know she do.
And also, guys, don't forget to download A Vacant Life. Please download the app, guys.
Yes. Okay, so this is going to do it, guys. So until next time you see our faces on your screen, this is your girl, Queen Simi, and I am out.
Queen Amy, and I am out.
Take care, guys. Peace, love, and light. Thank you so much for watching, FizzFam Loyals, and please be sure to turn on that post notification bell.